Hi friends! For our art center today, we're going to do a New Year's hat. So you have your Happy New Year sheet. Now you can use crayons or markers or colored pencils to color this in. Now you can do whatever design you want. So you're going to neatly color it all in and make it look beautiful. Then when you're done coloring, you're going to cut your hat out. So watch how I'm going to cut. I'm going to stay on this outside line. I'm neatly cutting, staying on the outside line. Coming around. Cutting. Almost done. So see how I'm taking my time and I'm cutting right outside on that black line. Okay, now we are going to roll our hat to make it like a cone. So do you see this piece right here? I'm going to fold this. Okay, and we're rolling our hat to make it into a cone. This is where we're going to glue it over here on this piece. So do you see? Then you'll have a Happy New Year's hat. Now, if mom and dad, they can help you if you would like. You can use string or yarn to make it tie on your head. Okay, so we can use a glue stick to glue it. If a glue stick doesn't work, mom and dad can also help you tape it or put a staple there as well. So see how I'm gluing that? And then we're going to fold it over and we're going to make our hat into a cone. Okay, so I'm pushing my glue down, and once it's glued, we can open it back up. All right, fun. So see how I did that? So now yours is going to have a beautiful, colorful design. And then when you're done, you can glue it. My glue seems to be sticking pretty well, or tape it to make your hat. And then you can add some yarn or string if you would like to tie it, or you can just set it on top of your head. All right, friends, enjoy your art center, and Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.